Attorney, you are a lawyer. It is fundamental upon us to follow due process. Did you accord Usec Mercado the fundamental right to due process?
I told her the reasons why, Your Honor.
Yes. Did you give her ample opportunity to explain her side?
Yes, Usec Mercado explained, but I told her that I was not the person that she was to talk to because I am not part of Deped. I told her to take these concerns to the Chief of Staff or the Office of the Secretary in the Department of Education.
Medyo unfair po yan, Attorney Zuleika. When you will be advising Usec Mercado that she has to tender her courtesy resignation, you will be claiming that that is an instruction coming from your principal. And now that Attorney Zuleika is trying to explain herself, Usec Mercado is trying to explain herself, you will be telling her that you do not belong to Deped.
I listened to her, Your Honor. I did. I listened to her. But at the end of the day, I cannot make that decision because I am not with the Department of Education.
Of course, you understand the theory of constructive dismissal. Do you? You do. Because we are lawyers. Please enlighten the committee. What is constructive dismissal?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, what I did was really in pursuance of the instruction of the Vice
Mr.
President.
Chair, can we please direct our resource speaker to be responsive to the question?
Attorney Zuleika,
Yes,
I
sir.
understand that you have back problem. Would you like me to declare 1 minute suspension?
Thank you.
1 minute
Thank
suspension is declared by the chair.
I appreciate that, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, we are asking for the enlightenment of Attorney Zuleika with respect to constructive dismissal.
Yes, Attorney Lopez, please.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. From what I recall, constructive dismissal happens when an employee is forced to resign under certain circumstances. In the case of Usec Mercado, she has the rank of undersecretary, and she serves at the pleasure of the appointing authority. So, given that the principal has lost her trust and confidence, then we can also ask for her to resign.
To add, Mr. Chair, by constructive dismissal, you are placed in a situation where you have no other option but to resign. I understand that Usec Mercado is occupying a position of confidence. However, Attorney Zuleika, you will agree with me that the requirements of due process, notice and hearing are fundamental. Did you follow the requirements of due process before you asked Usec Mercado to resign? I believe that the question is answerable by yes or no.
I informed her, Your Honor, of the reasons why. She also
Did you
explained.
follow the requirements of due process before you asked her to resign?
Please be responsive.
Yes, I followed the due process.
If you
procedure,
did,
Your Honor.
mayroon ho ba kayong pwedeng i-present na notice of hearing where she can explain herself?
What, Your Honor, if I may explain, in that isolated incident, I asked her, I told her the reasons why the principal has already lost her trust and confidence, and she did, which I think is a minimum, qualifies really as a due process. For what reasons were she being let go of? And then she also explained her side. She was given a chance to explain her side.
Mr. Chair, if Attorney Zuleika is maintaining the position that she followed the requirements of due process. Question number 1. Did you give her a copy of the complaint? Yes or no? No. Did you set a hearing for her? Yes or no?
No, Your Honor.
3. Did you come up with a resolution on the issue that is being charged against her? Yes or no?
No,
I
Your
believe
Honor.
no. And therefore, you did not follow the requirements of due process. Mr. Chair, I wish to proceed